Hi, hey, thanks for coming by and checking out Pete Snakebite Kid again. In the last video, I let you know that the next video will most likely see pictures of my Cobra painted. Well, let's take a look and see what we've got. So I've mentioned to you a couple times that the body shop, which is the original garage in Manti, Utah, they've sent me progress pictures along the way, and I've been down there a couple times to take some pictures and some video. This last set of pictures they sent me is awesome because it shows the last time the car was blocked. It shows the thing in primer, I think it's sealer. It shows it with paint, and then it shows with paint in clear. This is not cut and buffed yet, but it looks pretty shiny. So let's take a look at these pictures. Here you go. Here's the last block sand that they did, and each one of those dark spots is where they found another little spot that's not quite perfect, but this thing gets closer to glass every time. So here's primer again, a little darker primer than some previous pictures because this is a sealer primer, so the paint has a perfect surface to lay onto when they spray it. Here's the color sprayed on. This is the Rangoon Red I wanted. It kind of looks satin finish. Well, that's of course because they haven't sprayed the magic of the clear coat on it, which we'll see in just a second. Here's a couple angles of it with the clear coat on it. I think it looks pretty nice. You can really see how the body just flows and the reflection of the lights and so on. They're still going to polish it from there, and I think it's going to look even better. What's really going to look good is when it's on the chassis and I'm sitting inside it. Can't wait to see it. So there you have it. There's some color on the car. I'm going to haul it down there bright and early tomorrow morning, get the chassis and the car in the same place, and this thing's going to go back together. Then I'm going to drive it home. Anyway, I'll give you some more progress pictures along the way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.